Investing in assets can be a way to grow your wealth over time. Here are some steps to consider when investing in assets. Set investment goals. Determine your financial goals and the time horizon for your investments. This will help you choose the appropriate assets and investment strategies. Assess risk tolerance. Understand your risk tolerance, as different assets carry varying levels of risk. Consider your willingness and ability to withstand potential fluctuations in value. Research and educate yourself. Learn about different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and more. Understand their characteristics, potential returns, and associated risks. Create a diversified portfolio. Diversification helps spread risk by investing in a mix of assets. Allocate your investment across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions to reduce exposure to any single investment. Choose investment accounts. Determine the type of investment accounts you want to use, such as brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, or tax-advantaged accounts. Consider factors like fees, tax implications, and account accessibility. Develop an investment strategy. Determine your investment approach, such as long-term investing, value investing, growth investing, or income-focused investing. Align your strategy with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Monitor and review. Regularly monitor your investments and review their performance. Stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and news that may affect your assets. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed.